Hello and welcome to another update video on Coinbase. So on the Coinbase chart, it is entirely possible that if Bitcoin continues to grind higher, that also here we will see new all-time highs. I have to say for this entire bullish cycle for Coinbase, my, let's say, minimum targets have been reached. The $420 level, the 138% extension. So we don't need necessarily more upside to consider this a completed cycle from the 2022 lows, but it's possible. And if Bitcoin goes higher, we might also see Coinbase grind to higher prices. From an Elliott wave point of view, I can still see two possible pathways that the market might take. The first one is, in this white scenario, that this move down from the July high was an A wave. This here is a B wave rally, and we break down again in wave C. Now, this C wave to the downside, the target for that depends on how high the B wave goes. And I don't see any evidence that this B wave rally is complete. I think structurally it really does look more like a B wave, but we also have to recognize that normally in the fourth quarter, cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, perform quite well October, November. So I think we would need further evidence to really say it is the white count and we break down. I think the first indication would be a break below our upper support area, $356, followed by a break below the $323 level. Why this? Because in the yellow scenario, I can see the market grind to higher prices in a possible diagonal structure. In this scenario, we have a three-wave move up into the 22nd of August high. We have a wave 2 to the downside, but it's all based on three-wave structure. So wave 1 was an ABC structure, so the third wave is also a three-wave move and can get another high, no problem. Then we could get a wave 4 pullback, which needs to hold $323. But please note, if we push any higher, also this support zone will move higher, and then a fifth wave to the upside would likely be next. So I think it's important to recognize that we can still grind higher, but to confirm a top, we would need evidence by a break below support levels, and the first support is at $356. That's the update on Coinbase. Hope you enjoyed the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.